Okay guys, another feature natin today's episode. This is a Fairlady, sa Nissan Fairlady. Saan anong year to? Okay, basta yan. To Fairlady. Ito, may na-feature na tayo ng ganito. Shoutout kay Sir Gerald. Yan o, Datsun 240Z. So ito yung mga lolo ng mga 400Z. Yan. So this is a Datsun. Yan. Ito, next project nila, Chameleon. Okay, they'll be needing your help kung saan sila makakakuha ng hood fender, pinto, no sir? Trunk, yan. Okay. So doon sa mga kung meron kayong alam, just PM them. Here, ito yung link nung kanilang kanilang shop. Just contact them kung meron kayong alam kung saan makakakuha ng mga parts na pwede nilang magamit for this car. Kasi they're going to restore this car. Ayan yung loob. Of course, di ko lang alam kung nasan yung transmission nito, pero ayan. Ito yung upuan. Ito pala upuan nito. Tapos naka leather pa rin siya, oh. Even the sidings, oh. Tapos yung manobela. Pero yun na nga. So just PM them if you have friends or family na nasa ibang bansa na who has parts na pwede nilang mabili, coordinate with them. Yan, like I said, hood, fender, door, at saka trunk. Yan yung mga kailangan nila. Ayun pala yung mga nasa loob. Just PM them. Gandang kotse, no? Ganda nito, no? Tignan nyo. Very nice, no? Ang angas ng dating. Grabe, no? Solid. Fairlady Z. Doon sa hindi nakakalam, bakit Fairlady? Because the designer of this car, she loves yung My Fair Lady na movie. And he named after this car sa movie na yun. Yan. Kalimutan ko lang ano nga ba yun. May nose dive pa yun. May ganun. May iba-iba kasing itsura nito eh. Pero yun na nga. This is a very nice old car. Ganda, no? Oh, wish ko rin magkaroon nito eh. Sa totoo lang. Airpat ko rin na nag-introduce sa akin ito. I remember he showed me a picture na may bear sa loob. Hanapin ko nga yung picture na yun. May bear sa loob yun eh. Nasa loob. Tapos nakadungaw dito yung grizzly bear na nakapasok accidentally. Hindi ko alam kung na-picturean niya sa ibang bansa yun. I'll try to find, pero yun na nga. Doon ko una nakita, tapos pinakita niya nga sa akin that this engine, this car is a straight 6 Japanese car. Na nung araw, this is the fastest car daw. One of the fastest car made by Nissan. Straight 6. Ganda, no? So pag na-restore pa nila to, definitely this will be another beautiful car. So silipin natin yung kabilang side. So ito naman yung kabilang side niya. Yan, naka-fender mirror siya. Tapos ito yung rims. I don't know kung anong gulong to, pero it's a NK. Ayan pala, yun yung sabi ng badge. Tama ba? Oh, NK nga. Tapos na naka-Yokohama na gulong. So yun na, again, if you know someone who has the hood, fender, door, tsaka yung trunk, contact them, let them know na yan, meron kayong, so you could help them na ma-restore this beautiful car. Very nice. Kalumaki na, oh. Grabe. From the Italians to the Japanese. Yan, oh. Ano ba sa Italian? Buonasera. Tapos dito, tutto bene. Ito naman, arigato gozaimasu. Shoutout kay Become Legendary. And of course, sa ating Go to Garay episode, shoutout kay All About Cars and also to Become Legendary. Nice! Very nice, no? Very nice. Such a beautiful car. Imagine niyo ha. Hindi pa siya buo, pero pag nabuo yan, ang gandang kotse nito eh. Oo, ang ganda oh. Tingnan nyo. Wala akong masyadong alam dito, pero ay, hindi ko alam ko parang may mga short tail or tama ba? Hindi ko alam. Basta yung mukha iba, may iba-ibang mukha nito, may iba-ibang version, may iba-ibang model. Pero yun na nga. So abangan nyo to. Chameleon Automotive Paint Specialist is going to restore this car, and definitely makikita na naman natin to in one of the major shows here in our country. Alright. Nice, no?